Spring is in the air and the winter is officially over. But what's the weather looking like the first weekend of spring? Let's have a look. On Saturday morning, a foggy start to your day along the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia, in parts of the Cape Provinces and along the Eastern Escarpment. And then we have a cold front moving over the southwestern part of the country on Saturday, bringing some showers for the southwestern Cape and a band of cloud extending over the Cape Provinces. Also, a band of cloud that will stretch over the central part of the country on Sunday morning, with a light rain possible below this band of cloud. A foggy start today on Sunday in parts of the Cape Provinces and along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And then by Sunday afternoon, lots of cloud expected in parts of the Cape Provinces and over the central part of the country. By Monday, we have a cut of low pressure system that will affect the country, bringing much cooler conditions for the southwestern Cape, also some showers, and then a light snow possible on Tuesday over the mountainous areas of the Western Cape. But remember, the forecast is still a few days away, so it might still change. Northwesterly winds picking up here along the southwestern coast on Saturday morning ahead of that cold front, and then a windy Saturday afternoon over the central part of the country with hot and dry conditions. Runaway fires are a danger, so please be cautious in those areas. Southerly winds blowing along the coast of a neighboring country, Namibia, and then a light winds on a Sunday morning for the southern coast, but then another windy afternoon for the central part of the country, Sunday afternoon, where veld fires are once again a danger. Looking at your rainfall map for Saturday, we are expecting isolated showers here in the southwestern part of the country, with light rain in parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, but mainly dry for the rest of the country. And then on Sunday, light rain possible in the southwest, with light rain is still possible in parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, but now this band of clouds stretching over the central part of the country, therefore early morning light rain is possible. Looking at your temperatures for this weekend, we are expecting a freezing cold Saturday morning in parts of the Cape Provinces, with a -5 the morning in Sutherland. Frost is possible in parts of the Cape Provinces, but mild in the northern part of the country, with 13 the morning in Polokwane. On Saturday afternoon, a cool to cold day in the southwest, with only 11 in Sutherland, 14 in Cape Town, but warm to very warm over the central and northern part of the country, with 26 the afternoon in Johannesburg, 25 in Richards Bay. Another cold morning on a Sunday in parts of the Cape Provinces, with -3 now in Sutherland. Frost is possible in parts of the Western Cape and Northern Cape. And then on Sunday afternoon, similar conditions with cool to cold weather here in the southwest. Now 15 in Cape Town, 12 in Sutherland, but warming up over the central and northern part of the country, with 28 of the afternoon in Richards Bay, Mbombela and Polokwane. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend, and despite the weather, live like it's spring.